And as you see, we are back. Oh, what? Okay, let me take this layout layer away. And as you see here, that this one is a way better layout. Also, it's a lot more appealing. And using a smaller readable font and got the bold headline. Wait a minute, did I spell it right? Oh, creativity, not creative. Let me fix that. All right, and you see here that I'm using a smaller readable font for the event details. You want to make sure that you use consistent spacing and align your text to keep it neat. It is a lot more time consuming. Now, to make the flyer visually interesting, I'm going to add some geometric shapes. A few overlapping circles and rectangles can really help balance the design, as well as draw attention to the key characters, like key key areas. And at the beginning, I showed you all the color scheme that I'm going to use. This combination is very modern, as well as vibrant, without being overwhelmed. You can use color blocks behind the text and or shapes to create emphasis. You really see that I did that here and here. It really just tied it all together. But we're going to change the color of the text because we got like one or two colors that we could use just to see how it'll work out and just to make sure that it's not clashing with the color shapes that we have. So we're going to do that really quick. And since we are pretty much, I would say, satisfied for the most part with how all of this looks, and you could really go into it and get even more nitpicky with, when I say nitpicky, meaning with tidying it up, making sure everything's centered, look at the spacing, make sure that's all equal. But for the sake of the video, it's a tutorial and we're just having fun and we're moving pretty swiftly. All right, and let's get to it. And before finishing, let's refine everything, check alignment, and I couldn't do it without finishing out the video. And see if we can add anything else, like a subtle shadow, or maybe even add a texture. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. And you can even, doesn't have to necessarily be a brush that has textures. I mean, yeah, doesn't necessarily have to be like a brush specifically made for textures. You could just use whichever brush that you like and just enlarge it and really have it as a texture. You could do what I'm doing here. See, that's nice right there. Just giving that actual brush look, like textured brush look. And I just lowered the opacity more. And once you're happy with the design, what you want to do is hit the wrench, go to share, and then you would share image, press PDF, and the PDF quality you could choose best. And here is the final result. Hold on, let me cut off this ring so you can actually see it. And here's the final result. A clean and minimalist flyer, minimalist event flyer, designed entirely in Procreate. I hope this inspired you to create your own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment. Oh, you're not supposed to see that. And let me know in the comments what design projects you'd like to see next time. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.